Hey everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back. So I'm on today with a Boo Mail share. I was so happy when I checked my mail and I received this amazing package from my crafty friend Alexandra L. And so let me just share what she sent. I opened the package, but I didn't open what's inside. So let me go ahead and bring everything out. Alexandra and I go way back. We've known each other for I would say at least 7 years, 8 years, right? Because this was when her and I met, probably when either when I was back home in Hawaii or when we moved to Washington. I moved around a little bit because my husband was in the military. But yeah, we've known each other for a while. So she is an amazing crafter. So let me look at this cute tissue paper. Oh my gosh, she is so amazing. Thank you so much, Alexandra. So let me see what she sent. Oh my gosh, she sent so many goodies. All right, so let's put this to the side here so we can showcase everything she sent. Let me put this other stuff away here. All right. Okay, so first, look at this cute little Halloween bag. I love it. Frankenstein. So cute. Let's see what's in here. Oh, look at that. Black and white ribbon, striped ribbon. I love black and white. And I love it in polka dots and stripes. So this is so good because I don't have a black and white striped ribbon. So this is perfect. Thank you so much. Totally appreciate that. So she sent me some ribbon here. It looks like a card. So this is her cute card. She propped up this really cute witch hat. She used some white glittered cardstock to make the belt on the witch hat and the star. She put some bling. That is so cute. So let me see. So it says, "Hello, Tiffany. Wishing you a fun and safe Halloween. Sending a few goodies your way. Hope you enjoy. Your crafty friend, Alexandra L." Yes, thank you so much, Alexandra. She's super sweet. I'm going to put that to the side. So next, here's a package that she used some washi tape on. So let's open this up and see what she sent. Let's see here. All right, so I'm trying to like just be nice and not just tear things open like a little kid because that's what I would normally do. Just rip everything apart and get to the goodies. All right, so that's a nice package that I was able to save. And here, oh, look at that. So she sent me some felt bats, the word boo in orange, and oops, a couple pumpkins. How fun is that? I could definitely use these. So thank you so much. Let me put them back in their designated bag here. All right, next, look at this cute package with that skull. And look at this altered paper clip, or not paper clip, what is this, like a clothespin? She put these googly eyes on there. So cute. So let's see what's in here. Oh, look at that. So this is like, what do you call it? Like a prim, like a, is it a prim star? And she made it into a shaker. That looks so cute. I have to open this up. Sorry for all the crinkling, y'all. So let's see. She put some glitter in there, or sequence mix, I should say. Sequence mix and those confettis, you know, those round confettis from Dollar Tree. So that's so much fun. Look at that. But anyway, look at that. Look at her layering skills. Isn't that amazing? She used some gold threading. She used the word 31. Hoping there's a sequence stuck on there. And it looks like a paper cut apart or like ephemera. She propped up a circle, made a really tiny ribbon, like a ruffled ribbon, paper ribbon on a bat, and she put Fright Night. That is so cute. I love that. So let me put this away. And all this fell out. So let me just put this in the bag. Okay, perfect. One fell on the floor, but that's all right. I've been really good at trying to keep my craft room nice and neat. So I'm trying to keep it that way. All right, so next, look at that cute. Oh, she did another paper ruffle and she sewed it and then she put it on this is like a fabric rosette, and then she used a cut apart. And these feel like they're wood, like wooden pieces. So let me just take, yep, they are wooden. These wooden hats, wooden witch hats, which are so cute. That matches because she used a witch on top of the bag topper. So that's cute. So let me put that back in there. So many fun things to use next year. I can't wait. So here, another bag filled with fun goodies. Let's see. Oh, look at that. So this is it's not a shaker, but it's a very dimensional pumpkin. And I love the color. It's black and silver. And again, she put sequins mix in the bag for decoration, all that. But let me just, so you can actually see everything. Oops. Let me just, all right, there you go. Now you can actually see that. Look at how cute that is. Look at how thick. So it's on a foam. This is like a foam pumpkin. That is so cute. I love this. I'm gonna have a lot of fun things to work with next year. I'm done with my Halloween crafting, so all this is gonna go nicely into my Halloween container. I have a container that's specifically for things that I received for Halloween, like handmade items that people have made me. I keep that separate from, the things that I purchase, because the things that people make for me are extra special. So it has to be like, I don't like using them, but I'm starting to because I don't want to hoard, because hoarding is bad. Oh, and here's a cute little sequins mix she made. Look at all that. Fun colors. And I like the bag topper. Look at that. It says, "You're wicked cute." I just love her packaging. She always does so well. So creative. I love it. All right, next. Oops. Here, oh, I have some picks. And these picks are bats. 3 bat picks, 2 purple, 2 orange, and 2 black. These are like beads, beaded picks, which are fun to make banners or flags with. So that's super cute. I love that. And in here, oh my gosh, look at this bag topper. That is so cute. It says Happy Halloween. And in here, she just has a bunch of like cabochons, charms, some beads. So I could probably use this as like a set to make like a dangle. Oh, how fun. Look at all that. So pretty. I love that. Thank you so, so much. Gosh, it keeps going on, y'all. She spoiled me. Next, this says trick or treat. And let me see here. How do I open this? Hold on, y'all. All right, I think I might just have to cut it. I think it's actually, oh no, I found the opening right here. All right. It almost tricked me. All right. Oh, and look at these jemmies here. So some squares and hearts, all different colored squares and sizes. And then these nice silver hearts. It's so pretty. Awesome. Then here, oh, look at this. So this is a Halloween paper pack. It's a 6x6 set. And let me just open this up. This is pretty. I love the colors. Reminds me of like doodlebug colors. Oh, and this is really nice and shiny. These are very well made. It's scrapbook customs. See, scrapbook customs. So here's one. Isn't that pretty? You have this one here, the checkered, and it's black. And here's the ghosts and black on white writing. Candy corn colors and the candy corns in the back. And here's one that has happy Halloween words. And then it's purple in the back there. There's Halloween sprinkles. And then pumpkins. And I think this is just the same here. So 2 sets, 1, 2, 3. So 12 sheets, two of each design. So that's 6 designs. So that's amazing. I never heard of this company. So I'm gonna have to look into their company and see what else they carry. But let's see here. So it goes like so. So that's amazing. Thank you for that. Next here is a cute little trick-or-treat coffin. And you open this up here. Oh my goodness, she has all kind of goodies in here. Look at this cute broom, handmade broom. That's so cute. And then in here she has some ghost sequins or confetti. You can see that. And another confetti mix here. And she even decorated the top there. Look at that, how cute. And then here's a cute little spider ring. I love using these as additions to like layering on my embellishments. Those are really cute. All right, guys, we're almost done. She just spoiled me rotten. She is so sweet. Here's a pair of Halloween socks. So let me, oh, look at that. And it says trick or treat with spider webs. How fun is that? So I'm definitely going to use that on Thursday. And here, a stamp set. This looks like, is it from Michael's maybe? So it says Wicked, Hocus Pocus, Eek, Trick or Treat, and Spooky. Then you have these cute little trick or treaters and a, what do you call it? A tombstone. How fun. I need to start working on my coloring as well. So this is nice. I can stamp these and, work on my coloring. That is so cute. Thank you so much. So there's just 2 more things, or 3 actually. Here, we'll do this one. She made me a set of bows here. Look at how cute her bows are. These are bat bows. I love the paper collection she used. So fun. So she made some bows there. This here, look at this cute package. And then what's in here? It looks like stickers. Look at that. Dimensional puffy stickers, which are perfect for embellishments or anything. It's so cute. The ghosts, pumpkins, and bats. How fun. Oh my gosh, I have so many new things for next year. Now I kind of wish I didn't stop Halloween crafting, but I don't have any more Halloween swaps or Happy Mails to send out. I've done everything. I just have to mail out my Happy Mail packages. I have them here. I'm just doing the finishing touches, but I'm done with Halloween crafting for the year. Look at this tag. It says trick or treat and it has a bat on it. This pretty packaging here. And let me see what's inside. My goodness. Let's see here. So that's cute. I'm gonna save that. Oh, look at that, a washi. So this is a black and like a copper orange washi. That's cute. And this says Happy Halloween and it's a mini activity book. Okay, so this is like coloring, or if it has a maze, a word search, some stickers. Oh, how fun. I can do this with my son because he loves this type of thing. So yeah, so thank you so much, Alexandra. This was an amazing boo mail. I love everything. I'm going to package everything back nicely and it's going to be put away. And I will definitely put some of this to use next year. I'm going to hoard some, but I will use some for sure. Thank you all for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Hope you all have a fabulous day. Happy crafting, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.